Alright, remember that part where I said we missed all the shit? I don't think we missed the shit. It still looks fucking crazy! Okay, so we're here. We got it set up, but it is raining like a motherfucker. Shoes are like not holding up well. This thing does great in low light, but trying to walk out here is a whole nother thing.
Do this.
Just record it. You don't have to take a picture.
Wait.
I'll take pictures.
Wait, don't go yet.
It's already recording.
Okay.